Hello, students. Today we're going to walk you through Schoology. Once you are in Schoology, the first thing you will see is your course dashboard. You may not find your teacher course at the very top. It may be at the bottom. And if so, if you scroll all the way down and if your course is at the bottom, all you need to do is hover over it. You see how it went from white to gray. Use your mouse, click on it, and now you can move it up. And you can move this all the way up to the top. And you can make sure that your courses in the order that you would like to see them. So if you don't want that one there, you can put that one there. Once you've done it, you can click on course. And the courses that were at the bottom that you moved up should be at the top in the order that you arranged them.
So the next thing we're going to talk about are the notifications. And so the first notification you'll see to the left side of your name is the little bell. And you'll notice that this little bell has a yellow icon with a number inside of it. So that means that this person has a notification. So the notification could have came from your teacher. Maybe they've added some material into one of the courses. And so that's how you'll know. So you just click on there and it will tell you what's going on there. On the left-hand side of the bell, you'll notice that it's a little envelope, and the envelope is for messages. So if you receive a message, you'll again get a little icon, the little yellow icon that tells you how many messages you have. And so those messages probably are coming from your teachers. So it's so important that you check that as soon as you see a notification. You can also send messages to your teachers. So to do that, you'll click on the envelope, click on new message, type in your teacher's name, make sure you spell it correctly, and it should populate. It's going to come up. You click on your teacher's name. In the subject area, please be specific about what your message is about. We're going to receive a lot of messages, and we want to make sure that we know what you need help with. So you're going to be specific about what your message is. And so there are two ways that you can do this message. So you can type it out and say, "Hi, Ms. Timmons, I'm having problems solving fractions. I'm doing assignment 7.2a, and I don't understand how to do it." And maybe you don't feel like typing out everything. You can also go down to the bottom with the little microphone, and you can speak. So that's the audio only. So you can record your message, or you can do an audio and video. So let's say you were doing a problem and you were having problems solving fractions and you wanted to show Ms. Timmons what problem you were having issues with. You can show that problem and then Ms. Timmons can get back to you. Okay. The next icon we're going to talk about is the calendar icon. And so that's what the calendar is. And once you click on here, this is going to give you pretty much all the information that you need from all of your courses, not just your math course, not just your ELA course. It's going to give you information for all of your courses. So this is a good way to keep organized. Your teachers are going to put due dates on there so you can go ahead and see, well, what do I have that's upcoming, and I need to see what work I need to have done. So speaking of upcoming, if we go back to our usual page, on the right hand side you'll see that it says upcoming. So upcoming means that it's coming up, and it tells you on the right hand side the list of things that you have upcoming that are going to be due. Now this is not where you need to click and do your assignments. These are not the only assignments you have to do. These are the upcoming assignments that's going to be due. If your teacher has scheduled a conference or we have direct instruction small group, you would also see that information there.
So now let's talk about what you're going to see when you go into one of your courses. When you go into a course, now it is going to depend on what that teacher has uploaded. So not all of your courses are going to look exactly the same. But this is an overview of what your class could look like. You're going to see the class profile picture on the top the top left. And then all of your materials, your folders, maybe videos, assignments, everything will be listed there in the middle. But let's talk about the super important things that are going to be on the left. The first thing that we see are updates. So let's go ahead and click on updates. And updates is, it's kind of like Facebook and Twitter. It's where you can post messages to the teacher if you want everybody to be able to see. So make sure that whatever you put here is school appropriate. We are in school. And again, we can see that we have the little microphone. So if you don't want to type it, you can click on the microphone and either record an audio message or a video plus audio. Once you have it all ready to go, you just push post. It's real easy. But do remember, everybody can see it. So the next thing that we want to point out on the left is your grades. Because you are in this specific course, when you click on grades, it will show you all your assignments and grades just for this specific course. So if you want to see your math grades, you're going to have to go to your math course, click on grades, and they'll all be there. Same for your ELA, history, science, and so forth. Let's go back to materials. If your teacher has something really important to say, they might post it as an announcement. This course doesn't have any announcements right now, but if there were an announcement, it would be at the very top, right underneath where it says 7th grade math team.
So if you have any questions about Schoology, please make sure you message your teacher, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day.
Have a great day.